all the faces and talk about the places they've been. And two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again. Never need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feelings back again. It's the one that I had back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. Got another chance, and if they take it,